My name is Arun Jayakumar. I'm working as a practice lead for testing for NousInfoSystems. We are based out of Edison, New Jersey, and we have been in the software industry since last 16 years. When I talk about NeoLoad, I find it as one of the useful performance testing solutions which we have sold recently to many of our strategic customers. The prime reason being it's very easy to use. The moment the installation of the product itself is very easy, and once it is installed in your environment, it hardly takes any time to start recording the scripts, because it really gives the users to be very fast creating the scripts. And at the same time, the navigation and the way you separate out the scripts, the way you categorize the transactions are very user-friendly, and so that the users can easily reuse the scripts whenever it's needed. So there are some key specific features which NeoLoad brings with the product, especially when I talk about the OnDemand Cloud, because setting up the infrastructure for creating the load generators on-premise, it is a very costly affair for many of the customers, and that really hesitates them to implement that practice in their environment. So the on-demand cloud, that is one of the very attractive features of NeoLoad, which can be really leveraged in the real-time QA projects. It's very simple, and I think majority of the key metrics the tool captures by itself. Because when we use manual counters like perfmon, we need a lot of manual intervention to create the different charts. So it brings in a lot of messages by default, which can really get transferred to the stakeholders without much manual intervention, and we don't need to make much changes to present it to the stakeholders. It brings in ready-made, so that way it is very nice.